Guys, it's Nicholas back here again, and I'm giving you an update on Lana. Lana, last time you saw her, she had the camo name tag, but now she has a fire hydrant. Today I'm going to get the new Grand Theft Auto 5 Xbox One. So yeah. And I'm getting the new Segway hoverboard. So stay tuned for that video. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.